morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all fine and staying at home. I am your maths teacher Kiran Nosheen Harun. In the previous lesson, I hope you remember what we have learned. Can you tell me the topics? Yes, increasing and decreasing orders and ordinal numbers. And what next? Addition and subtraction. Very good. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 2, numbers from 11 to 20. We are using a maths book, Composite Maths for class 1. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, numbers from 11 to 20 on page number 29. On page 29, the topic is count and learn. So let's count the objects. As you see, there are many objects and these are divided into tens and ones. Let's count the caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the part that shows you tens. And here is one cap. So if you add tens and ones, tens and 1 make 11. So in 11, how many tens and ones? 1 10 and 1 1. So what it will make? 11. And what it make? 11. Very good. And what are the spellings of 11? E L E V E N. Now you can repeat and learn. Next object is radish. Let's count the radish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 radish. So 10 and 2 make 12. What it makes? 12. How many ones and tens in 12? 1 10 and 2 ones. How many? 1 10 and 2 ones. Can you repeat after me? Yes. 1 10 and 2 ones. What it makes? 12. Let's say the spellings of 12. T W E L V E. 12. Can you say it again? T W E L V E. 12. I hope you have learned the spellings of 12. So let's go further. And how many leaves are here? These are 10 leaves. As we have counted it before, these are 10 leaves. And if we add 3 more leaves here, how many are these? 10 and 3 makes 13. Yes. How many ones and tens are in 13? 1 10 and 3 ones. How many are these? 1 10 and 3 ones. Let's say the spellings of 13 so you can learn it very well. T H I R T E N. 13. Let's repeat it. T H I R T E N. 13. Yes. Now let's do the next. These are the group of 10 ice creams, and if we add 4 more ice creams, so 10 and 4, what will it make? 14. Yes. And how many ones and tens? Can you tell me? Yes. 1 10 and 4 ones. So these are all together 14. F O U R T E N. 14. Yes, repeat it. F O U R T E N. 14. Very good. So next is, there are 10 pineapples. This is the group of 10 pineapples. If you add more 5 pineapples, how many are these now? Yes, 10 and 5 are 15 pineapples. Next, there are lamps. Let's count the lamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the group of 10 lamps. And if we add 6 more lamps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 and 6 make 16. And how many ones and tens are here? 1 10 and 6 ones. And the spellings of 16 are T-E-E-N, 16. Let's repeat it. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Now we shall see the next picture. There are 10 pairs and 10 and more 7 pairs. So 10 and 7 makes 17. As you know, how many tens and ones are here? 1 10 and 7 ones. The spellings of 17 are S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. S-E-V-E-N, 7, T-E-E-N, teen, 17. Now there are group of 10 bottles, so we can say this is 110. And if we add more 8 bottles, so these are 10 and 8, 18 bottles. And there are 110, that means one group of 10 bottles. And 8 bottles, that means 18, 110 and 8 ones. The spellings of 18 are E-I-G-H-T-E-N, teen, 18. Let's repeat the spellings of 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-N, 18. Now there are 10 pens and more 9 pens. So 10 and 9 make 19. And there are 110 and 9 ones. And the spellings of 19 are N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-N, teen, 19. You can repeat it. N-I-N-E, 9. Now there are 2 groups of 10 candles, 1 10 and 2 tens. So we can now write here 2 tens, but there is no ones, so you can write here 0 ones. So look at that number 20. There are 2 tens and 0 ones. Can you repeat it after me? 2 tens and 0 ones, because there is no one but the 2 groups of 10 candles. So it makes 20. And we will say the spellings of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Let's repeat it. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. I hope you will learn all the spellings. Now students, you will take out your books and take out the page number 30. It's question number 1. Trace and write the number. Now students, you will take out your books and take out the page number 30. It's question number 1. Trace and write the number.